This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Jason Cavanaugh. Here is a fantastic opportunity to have a single-level home on the west side of Lynden. This corner lot has been meticulously maintained and it has a dog run, room for gardening or just enjoying the yard. The outbuilding has been turned into a gym where there is plenty of potential for whatever you need. Inside you will find hardwood floors, an open living space, a large kitchen with dining area and oversized bedrooms. The garage has a built-in workspace already set up with a bench, extra electrical outlets and storage all in place. A 30-year roof was installed in 2019. For more information, review the details below or contact Jason Cavanaugh at 360-734-7500.